Hey guys, I'm gonna unbox the PC casing from Corsair for Carbide series models 175R. So here's the box. They show pictures of the casing, that's what it should look like. This is the side of the box that gives the spec on the case. And this picture is show what the inside of the casing look like. When you open the box and you see the case in plastic wrap in the two styrofoam. Top case viewing, you have a cover. You also have a power button, two USB 3 port, and then you have the audio where you can put the it's a dual, so you have the microphone and the headphone. Then you have a reset button. What doesn't have is the LED light for the hard disk activity. The top cover can be removed, and I believe it's a magnetic, so it sticks to the top casing. Here's a top view without the top cover. Close up of the top panel there, where you have the power button, the two USB 3 port, the port for the mic and a headphone, and then your reset button. Here's a view of the back of the case. So you got the left side where you have the motherboard like an I/O. Then you have the bracket, and the bottom is the power supply. At the bottom you can see the 4 feet there, and then there's a little lever like a tray you can slide out, and the top is cause it's a power supply slot. So this is the cover that I slide out. I believe it's some kind of like a filter. You clean up the dust. This is the back view of the case, where you have the open holder where you can access the back of the motherboard. For example, install the CPU cooler. You can mount two SSD, and bottom left is a case where support the two 3.5 drive such as hard disk. On the right side is for the power supply. There's also 3 slots where you can pass the wires. Here's two 3.5 tray bracket where you have pin out that you can put the drive in, so you don't need to have a screw. The casing manual where you can see individual components. These are accessories like tie wrap, screw, standoff. There's only one standoff. The case comes with one RGB fan, the fan power cable, RGB header cable, 7 slot brackets. Here's where you mount your motherboard, so support the ATX, micro ATX, and ITX. You have pre-installed standoff, which is not removable. The side of the case is covered by tempered glass, which held in by 4 screws. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Do you have the casing Corsair 175R? If yes, leave a comment below what you think about it. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!